welcome to our channel, Mommy. Mommy, hair colour. Yay.
Okay everyone, we are going to try and dye our hair with food colouring.
Blue.
We've got 2 jars each. One's got blue food colouring in it. And the other one's going to have pink, but we haven't put it in there. It's just got vinegar in at the moment. It's actually apple cider vinegar, but it probably doesn't matter what kind of vinegar. Because we're doing this because we have watched lots of food colouring hair dye videos, and they're almost all mixed in with conditioner. So you watch this whole video, it's 20 minutes long, and they do all the stuff and they get it all over their clothes. And it doesn't work. You get to the end of the video and they hold up their hair and like, it didn't work. So we finally found one that looks like it does work, and it uses food colouring with either vinegar or water. With vinegar it's stronger. We're going to do like a half and half. See how that works. And Layla here had the idea that she wanted pink on one side and blue on the other side.
See how I have a pink
And
hair
Lily
tie?
would also
That
like
means
her
I
hair
have-
done too. So
See how I have this pink hair tie? That means this side's going to be pink and this purple one is going to be blue.
And you might have noticed that we're all wearing black, because when you dye your hair, as anybody who's dyed their hair knows, it tends to kind of go everywhere. So we're wearing black so we don't get stains. And what we're also going to do is take some coconut oil and just rub it around the edge of your hair and on the tips of your ears, the edges of your ears. Yeah, and some for you too, Lily. You watch Layla and you rub it, just rub it on the sides of your face. Now ours is probably not going to go up to the top of our head, but it's just good practice when you dye your hair. Just always put a little bit, or you can use Vaseline if that's what you've got. Just some kind of oil or clean fat. You can put some down on your skin. It just makes it easier to wash off any dye that might accidentally.
And now I'm gonna
It's really good for your skin. You put a little bit on my nuts.
Mommy, what is it?
Yes, Queen. There we go. Look at the ears. Okay, just be careful with that. So yeah, we've got our jars, which are about the right size. If you think about your dip, where you want your dip to be. We've got blue food colouring and pink.
And
That's our apple cider vinegar. I'm just going to I've boiled some water. I'm going to re-boil that to make sure it's hot.
Mommy, what do I do?
There's a paper towel over there. Paper towels. Always need paper towels.
For everything!
Industrial gloves, which I'm going to put on now.
Mommy, my hands are stuck. I like.
That's alright, that'll be good for you. I wonder if I should be in the middle. Okay, so the water's boiled again. Gonna put that on. Let's do pink first. We'll put the pink in. Look that up. Pink in.
So pretty. My face is so oily.
One.
Blah, 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 blah. I'm putting a lot of them in.
And some on Lily's.
Lily put her hand in
Lid
it.
back on. Do this with my gloves on.
Lily put her hand in it, Mommy.
The good thing about these gloves is I don't throw them away afterwards, so we don't end up with more, plastic in the rubbish. So
I need gloves. Mommy.
you don't touch it. You only touch your. Okay, we got some blue fingers over here. That's okay. Right, so boiling water.
What's a hat?
Watch
Never
out,
touch
this
it.
is really hot, you guys. Actually, it smells really nice with the apple cider vinegar.
I put oil in mine. And mine.
You put oil in it. Oh. I don't know what that's gonna do. Experiment oil in some of the mixtures. Okay, so Lily, watch Layla. Watch Layla. You can twist up your hair like this so we can fit it in the jar. What I'm actually gonna do, wait, yours is gonna go in one. You can lift it up. Might be a bit hot though.
Oh, it's so pretty.
Oops, that's not gonna work.
Mommy, my hair is so pretty.
It's pretty already. So now we do that for 10 minutes. Just move it a little bit so it's not too much of a line. It works. Maybe we should take a break so you don't have to watch us for 10 minutes. And then make sure you go up and down just a little bit. Am I stuck like this forever? Here, there you go.
It's pretty. It looks like it's pretty drinking.
It smells like hot apple cider vinegar. If you like that kind of thing. Alright, gotta put it down, that's hot. Okay, so 10 minutes later, I've got myself a purple towel because I'm going to be kind of purple. I actually decided at 5 minutes to switch my jars around and then just dip the ends in the other jar, so I hopefully have purple at the bottom, pink at the top of that one, and the top of that one. So let's just see how Layla's going. Lily's already getting her hair dried. This is Layla in the jars. Yep, so you can lean backwards until your hair touches the towel. Just hold like that. Have a little stretch.
Harlequin.
Right. Harlequin, yeah, true. Alright, so what we're going to do next is dry our hair with a hairdryer.
Like Lily.
Oh, that looks good already. But don't get my dye on your face.
I mean.
Okay, let's get the hairdryer.
Look at me, I'm so pretty. It's pretty cool. I really like that one. A little bit of purple at the end. My hair's a little bit darker than the girls, but it's still...